Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will dive into the act of crafting the perfect book title for your self-published works on Amazon. A compelling title is crucial. It captures attention, conveys your book's essence, and helps it stand out in crowded marketplace. Whether you're a seasoned author or just starting out, I will guide you through essential tips and strategies to create a title that resonates with your target audience. So get ready to unleash your creativity and set your book up for success. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Uh, just like the title says, this is going to be the part 5 of our Amazon KDP step-by-step tutorial, and we will be diving into how to create our book title. I have some bullet points here on the screen. First of all, your book title should contain the main keyword which your prospect or potential customers are actually searching for. Then we can also take a cue from a few competitors' books on how they were able to frame their book titles. Then we can take a cue from there. Another strategy will be to use ChatGPT for us to get more subtitled ideas for your book. So I'm going to also demonstrate that so that you're going to see how this is done so that you can also do this when you get to the point or time when you start creating your own books. So the first thing we're going to do, as usual, will be to go to amazon.com in order for us to see what the keywords that our customers are searching for, which definitely will be the first thing we're going to use for as our book title. Then after figuring out what they are searching for, then we will now, take a look on our competitors' work and see how they were able to frame their subtitle. Because after getting your book title, you also need to have the subtitle. But the book title must be that keyword which customers are already searching for on Amazon's platform. So right now I'm inside amazon.com and we have been working with the keyword titled Life Skills for Teenage Girls. So once you type this, then we want to find out if this is what customers are already searching for right inside Amazon. So I'm also going to click the search bar again, and we can definitely see other books that has already been created. So what we are looking for right now is our book title. So basically, Life Skills for Teen Girls will be our book's title. Reason being that this is what customers are already searching for. If you want to know what customers are searching for, let me delete this a bit so that we will see from Amazon suggestions if this is a keyword that is being searched for. So you can see Amazon gave us a list of suggestions here, what people are searching for, and you can see that life skills for teenage girls is among what is being sought for here by customers. You also have life skills for teens, life skills for teen girls, life skills book for twins. So anything that you see here on the left hand side suggested by Amazon obviously is what customers are searching for. So I'm also going to stick with the keyword we've been using all this while, which is life skills for teenage girls. So obviously this is going to be our book title. Our book title obviously is going to be life skills for teenage girls. And in order to prove this, let's see what other books that has been created and see how they've framed their own book title. So you can see this one says life skills for teenage girl. You can see life skills for teenage girl is still the first thing that showed up here. So remember I said our book title must contain the keyword people are searching for. It should be the first thing. Every other thing becomes secondary, which is the subtitle, but the main book title should contain that keyword that is being sought for. So you can see I'm repeating this again for emphasis sake. I'm going to scroll down to see if we'll find other books. So you can see this one says essential life skills for teen girls. It still has that keyword life skills for teen girls, even though now they now framed it up by adding essential. So you can also do the same. You can either add something right in front of it, or you just go straight up with life skills for teen girls. Then also look at the next book published here. It also has that same keyword, life skills for teenage girls. Bible. Now this one added Bible, but the most important thing here is that the author of this book added that keyword that customers are already searching for. So if you're creating your book must have the keywords that customers are already searching for. You can't just go and create your own book title based on what you think maybe it appears cool to you. Yeah, something might sound very cool, very catchy, but are people really searching for it on Amazon? If they're not searching for it, then remember, you're not writing for your own entertainment pleasure. No, you're actually writing to solve a problem that is people are out there seeking for through your book. So when people are typing stuffs like that on Amazon search bar, they are actually seeking for a solution to a problem. So your book title must definitely capture that, what they are already searching for. So let me go down again to the second book. So you can see this. There are other books here, life skills for teens. Remember when we were also searching, we also saw this life skills for teens. So whoever that wrote this book, it incorporated what is being sought for and use it as their own book title for. So I implore you to do the same. Then the next thing will now be also to look at how other authors framed their their subtitles. They came up first with the book title. Now the second part is known as the subtitles. Like this one says, the complete handbook for building a strong foundation for the future. So these are subtitles. And for you to generate your subtitles, I will always advise you could use ChatGPT. I'm definitely going to show you how to do that. But have it at the back of your mind that your book titles must be the keywords that are already being sought for by customers, which we can actually see from the suggestions feed here from Amazon. When you type in this, you can see, let me delete it again so that you can see from the suggestion, you can see this is what Amazon is already suggesting that people are already searching for. So that is how we create our book title. Go with the keyword that people are already searching for. And for you to figure that out is that once you put in a word here on the search bar, Amazon is going to give you suggestions of what people are searching for. So you check if it matches with what you want to do and go straight with what you've already, Amazon is already telling you that this is what people are searching for, and that is exactly what we're going to do. Remember, I also said you should take a cue from your from other authors' work, but that doesn't mean you should go and start copying, then word for word. The keywords could be the same, but your subtitles must definitely be different, because you wouldn't want to go copy someone else's subtitle. Then adapt. What it simply means is that there's a particular books that have the same keyword and the same subtitle. Then that means somebody is plagiarizing someone, and I don't think you want to be that kind of published author that goes about plagiarizing people, because definitely Amazon is going to terminate your account or even suspend you for that. So try to be creative. The keywords should be the same or can be the same, because yeah, that is what people are searching for, but your subtitles must definitely be different. For you to be able to craft out the subtitles for your book, I recommend you use ChatGPT, because that is exactly what I do. So I've already created one here, so I'll just go straight to ChatGPT to show you guys what I did. And you can also practice with this. This is the prompt I used. I prompted ChatGPT to create a list of 5 optimized and captivating subtitles to write a book titled Life Skills for Teenage Girls. So I'm telling ChatGPT here to give me a list of 5 subtitles that goes to write a book, Life Skills for Teenage Girls. Remember, Life Skills for Teenage Girls is what we have decided to make our book title all about. So now we're trying to get a subtitle. So when I requested for 5, I'm trying to choose the best that I feel that will work perfectly well with my book. So now my book could be Life Skills for Teenage Girls. Then the subtitles here, you can just come look at the one that suits, that you'll find very interesting. And I also like to keep my subtitles very short and straight to the point. So this one says, number 1 says empowering young women, then practical tools for confidence, independence, and success. This is pretty long. The second one says navigating adolescence, essential skills for confidence, resilience, and growth. Then the other one says thriving in your teens, a guide to mastering essential life skills. The fourth one says building a strong foundation, life lessons, everything girls needs to succeed. Yes, I will be going with this. I will just go with this this one here, starting from life lessons, everything girls need to succeed. So what that simply means that my book title is going to be Life Skills for Teenage Girls, then semicolon. My subtitle is going to be Life Lessons Everything Girls Needs to Succeed. Yeah, this works for me. I can also go with the fifth one from here that says A Teen Girl's Guide to Confidence, Leadership, and Success. Yeah, this works too. So my book title can also be Life Skills for Teenage Girls, then a semicolon, then A Teen Girl's Guide to Confidence, Leadership, and Success. This is very, very straightforward. It captures what the book is all about. The book is talking about life skills for teenage girls, and here the subtitle is talking about is a guide for teen girls to gain confidence, leadership, and success. This is kind of subtitles that actually attracts the attention of your prospective buyers, and yes, they'll want to get this book because it really defines and captures what their intent and purposes is all about. So I don't want to make this video very short, long. Let me recap again. This is how we create our book title. You go to Amazon, whatever thing you're getting here from the search bar, the suggestions Amazon is giving to you here should be the title of your book rather, because that is already what people are searching for. So we went with life skills for teenage girls, and simply because Amazon has already suggested it as what customers are searching for. Now we also try to look at other books written on similar title. As you can see, they all use the same keyword because it is a search keyword by customers. Now we decided to use, after going with this keyword for our book, we prompted ChatGPT to create the subtitles for our book, and this is the prompt I used here. You can also, write down this prompt, always use it. It makes things very easy. So you can see how I also became creative here. ChatGPT gave us a list of options, but I didn't go with everything ChatGPT listed out here. Rather, I just pick up some stuffs here that that makes sense and that are very, very concise and complement the title of the book. So that was why I decided to go with life skills for teenage girls, then semicolon, went with life lessons, everything girls need to succeed, or I can also opt for going with number 5, A Teen Girl's Guide to Confidence, Leadership, and Success. So folks, this is how you create your book title. Use the keyword from the search, what customers are already searching for, and use ChatGPT to create your subtitles, and be rest assured that your book you've gotten a book title and a subtitle for your book, and we are ready to proceed to the next step. So once again, I thank you for your time. I'll also implore you to rewatch this particular video again. The more you watch the stuffs, the more you become more confident and you gain this skill set. So on a parting note, if you find value for this video, kindly like and subscribe to my channel so that other people can also get the opportunity to see this video and also gain the same knowledge you are gaining right now. Thank you, and I hope to see you on the part 6 of our Amazon step-by-step tutorials. Look forward to the next video. Thanks, guys.